Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create polls on Instagram application. So basically this feature is used for a mini survey or do the survey, or even you can also use this for a quiz to help you interact with your follower. So to create the polls on Instagram, you just need to open your Instagram, and right after that you just need to stay in the home section. Now you just need to access the Instagram camera by go click this plus button, and right after that you just need to pick the picture as the best or the base media for your story, and then I would like to choose this, and here I would like to create a game by using the poll features. Now we just need to take a look on this line. There will be like stickers camera or stickers icon right here, so you just need to click that, and right after that there will be seen here this is a poll section. Go click them. Now we just need to add the questions, like the question of the quiz, what I order, and then you just need to give an option. And right after that you just need to go click done. You can also adjusting the positions as well as the size of this poll. You can also covering the part that you want to cover, and right after that you just need to add it into your story. And you just need to wait until your follower given their answer for your questions. So that is the way, guys, how to create poll on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.